This is the 75th anniversary of the Lehi Rodeo. It's the first time we've ever had a cattle drive on Main Street. You know, it's a replication of what we used to do back in the olden days when we'd have the cattle that we'd take out to the canyons and out to the grasslands for feeding during the summer. And so it's just a rendition of the old Wild West, and we just wanted to do a little reenactment for our 75th anniversary of the Lehi Rodeo. This has been an awesome time, and we've had a lot of good riders, and we've had a lot of good crowd participation. The streets were loaded, and so I think everybody's had a great time tonight.